This is 9.4, rational numbers. A rational number is a number that can be written as a fraction, a over b, where a and b are integers, and b is not 0. Every rational number can be written as a decimal that will either end or terminate, or it will repeat. So terminating decimals would be like these ones, and repeating decimals, they would either be written with multiple, like 33333, or they would have a bar over it that would show that it is repeating. And the bar only shows which parts are repeating. So we're going to write each fraction as a decimal. For 1 and 3 over 50, I'm going to change my fraction here to have a denominator of 100. So that would be 6 over 100. So then the 6 goes in the hundredths place. So this is 1.06. So we want to make sure that we are getting the denominator as a power of 10. And then the last digit goes in that number's spot after the decimal. For 3 and a fourth, I can change 1/4 to a denominator of 100. So this 5 and 25 goes in the hundredth spot to get 3.25. It's also just a good idea to have it memorized that 1/4 is 0.25. Now for this one, I can rewrite 20 as a denominator 100. So then I would have 9.10 or 9.1. For 4 over 11, I cannot rewrite that as a power of 10. So I'm going to do long division instead. And when I do that, I can see that I will get a pattern. I started with 40 here, I have a 40 again. So that means that the 3 and the 6 are going to be repeated. So I write it as 0.36 with the bar over the 3 and the 6. For 72 over 99, I'm going to do 72 divided by 99. And this one uses a lot of zeros. And I know that once I get down here, the 7 and the 2 will repeat. So that's a fraction to a decimal. Now we're going to go a decimal to a fraction. So we're going to rewrite these as a fraction. 2.45 repeating. So first we're going to let x equal 2.45. Then we are going to multiply each side by 100. Because there are 2 decimal spots, that's how many zeros I'm going to put. That means 100x equals 245.45. Then I'm going to subtract the original equation I made. Then I have 100 minus 1 is 99. 245 minus 2 is 243. And these decimal places will cancel out. Then to get x by itself, divide each side by 99. And x equals 243 over 99, or 2 and 45 over 99. Now if I rewrite 1.734, again, let x equal my decimal, multiply this time by 1,000, because I have 3 numbers that are repeating here. After I multiply and simplify, I'm going to subtract the original, and then I get 999, x equals 1733. Divide each side by 999, and I'll get this fraction, or if I change it to a mixed number, that's 1 and 734 over 999.